Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 5th of September 2020 question number 7. There are 3 sections A, B, C in a paper, each section having 5 questions. In how many ways a student can solve exactly 5 questions? Taken at least 1 question from each section. This is the problem in the house of permutation and combination. So at first, and it's a memory based question, there are 3 sections. So here is 3 section is given here, that is we may write down A, B and C. Here 5 question from A, 5 question from B and 5 question. Total question is each section having total questions are 5, 5, 5. How can we choose that? We may choose two ways, that is 3, 1, 1. It is one ways, and another ways we may, that is 2, 2 and 1. So now the selection, student can solve exactly 5 questions, taken at least 1 question from each section. Okay. So therefore the total selection become that is possibilities 3C1 ways, 3C1 and multiplied with 5C3, 3 question from 5 from A and another 3 question from 5 question 1 question from just like 5C1 ways and 5C1 ways, or means here plus. So 3C2 ways, it is 3C1 and it is 3C2 ways. And how can we choose this? That is 5C2, 5C2 and 5C1. So just crack this. We get 3, that is 3 into 10 here, into 5 into 5, that is 25. Here we get it is 3, once again it is 3 here, and 5 into 5, that is into 500. So here we get 750 plus 500, it is, sorry, and it is 1500. So the answer is 2250. So we reached, it is our required answer, and our option is 2250. Option 3 is our correct choice. Now some important formulas and some conception about permutation and combination. So permutation, what is permutation? Permutation and combination. So just clear what is permutation and what is combination. Permutation means arrangement. Again simplify, order. Combination means selection. Again simplifying, collection. We easily know what is arrangement and what is ordered, and what is selection and what is collection. So how to arrange means permutation. How to arrange, that is called, means permutation. How to arrange. So here we know NCR into factorial R, that is permutation. When we arrange things, total things is N, and arrange some selection of R, then we can write down NCR cross factorial R. It is the sign of factorial. Now some important formulas which always remember, important formulas which we always remember, that is number 1, NPR. NPR is nothing, it is the permutation of total number of is N and selection is R. So I just write down this, it is simplified, that NCR into factorial R, where R is what? R is always lies between what? 0 to N. As N is the total, N, R must be less than N and greater than 0. Number 2, formula number 2, NCR N minus R, that is NCR. Formula number 3, NCR plus NCR minus 1, that is equal to N minus 1 CR. Formula number 4, N into N minus 1 CR minus 1, that is equal to N minus R plus 1 into NCR minus 1. How can I prove the proof? Another classes I will discuss you about these proofs, but this is the most important and daily uses formulas of permutation combinations. So keep studying in this and remembering, recall every day. Okay, so here is the whole solution and some important thoughts about permutation and combination and some formulas. So any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.